Okay, somebody was recently asking me in one of the YouTube comments, when am I going to do a video, an update on our Yucca gigantea? So, well, we're mid-March now, and well, St. Patrick's Day, happy St. Patrick's Day, and I figure this is a good time to do a update on this because I wasn't sure exactly how good this thing would look when I took that plastic cover off of it. So this is what we cover it with when it got really cold, with this plastic. And then just a super simple structure out of PVC, very crude, held together with tape. And I just sat this bubble plastic on here. It's thin. There's the trunk. Pretty good sized trunk. Well, overall, I think it looks pretty good. These are Yucca gigantea, formerly known as Yucca elephantippes. And I planted these in June 2007, okay? So they've been here a long time. And there's the agave americana in there, patuensis, that's cycad. And then there's dickia, and there's another dickia on the other side. So anyway, it looks like it made it. It actually looks better than the ones in the tiki hut. There's the ones that were in the tiki hut. Those are in pots, so maybe the pots got a bit of freezing. I ended up I broke the top off of that one yesterday. They're alive, but they definitely got more beat up. But this one here, definitely more sheltered, closer to the house, under some big trees. So it probably did not get below 20 degrees Fahrenheit in this spot. Almost guaranteed didn't get below 20 degrees Fahrenheit in this spot. So that's what they look like. There's the update on Yucca gigantea in our garden. There's another dickia there. Kept them dry, and I think they look pretty darn good, right? There's some cordylines too. It's funny, a lot of cordylines on the island took a beating, and just depends on the situation and location where they are. These are pretty sheltered in here, but there you are. There's your update on Yucca gigantea. I'm going to take this crude structure down now and put her away. Thanks for watching. Cheers.